Welcome to LanguageLine. The LanguageLine app makes it safe and easy to connect to interpreters 24/7 on demand, using many popular devices, including PCs and Apple and Android tablets and smartphones. Using the LanguageLine app. This short video will guide you to find the language you need, connect to an interpreter, and use helpful tools in the app. Tap the LanguageLine app icon on the home screen to launch the app. The top languages menu appears and provides quick access to audio and video interpreters in over 40 popular languages, including American Sign Language. The All Languages menu provides 24/7 access to on-demand interpreters in more than 240 languages. When audio and video interpreters are available for a language, you will see an orange video camera icon. When only audio interpreters are available, you will see a blue phone icon. To find a language, either scroll through Top Languages or scroll through All Languages to see languages listed alphabetically, or use the search feature. Type a language or country name into the search bar. The languages associated with your search will appear on the screen. Languages appear in both English and the target language. To place a call to an interpreter, tap on the desired language. You will see both icons when the selected language is available in audio and video. Choose the appropriate modality for your interpretation session. Requests for video interpreters are fulfilled over 95% of the time. In the rare case that a video interpreter is requested but not available, the call will automatically roll to an audio interpreter. Connect to a video interpreter. Tap Video to connect to a video interpreter. The app will dial out to the next available interpreter. Center the person in need of language assistance on the screen while waiting to be connected. The interpreter will provide a standard greeting when connected.
Thank you for calling LanguageLine Solutions. This is Jaime, ID number 960452. I'll be your Spanish interpreter today.
Note the interpreter ID. Use the screen icons to support your interpretation session. Tap the camera icon to initiate video privacy to restrict the interpreter's ability to see. Audio will continue. Tap again to release video privacy mode. Tap the microphone icon to mute the audio and restrict the interpreter's ability to hear. Video will continue. Tell the interpreter before you use the mute button. Tap again to release audio privacy mode. Tap the volume icon to access volume control. Adjust volume as needed. Tap to remove the control from view. Ask the interpreter to bring up the notepad to type key information on the screen in the target language, English, or both. This information cannot be printed or saved. To end your session, tap the red phone icon. After each call, you have the option to rate the call and leave comments. You will be returned to the main language menu after each call ends. Connect to an audio interpreter. Tap Audio to connect to an audio interpreter. The app will dial out to the next available interpreter. Once connected, the interpreter will provide a standard greeting.
Thank you for calling LanguageLine Solutions. My name is Rosalba, ID 216674.
Note the interpreter ID.
I will be your Spanish interpreter. This call may be monitored for training and quality assurance purposes.
Brief your interpreter and start your session. Tap the red End Call button to end your session. Helpful tips. Tap How to Use for quick reference tips on how to use the app, including how to launch the app, find a language, connect to and brief your interpreter, and how to use the interactive buttons during a session. The Help and Settings section has many helpful tools. Tap Video Interpreter Availability. See video availability alphabetically by language on a weekly schedule. Tap on language to view real-time availability of video interpreters. Tap Call History to see the calls made from your device, including date and time of call, language, duration of call, and the interpreter name and ID number. Tap Network Diagnostics to run a test to see if the app is running properly on your network. Tap Place a Test Call to launch a self-view camera and adjust volume. Adjust volume as needed. Tap Device Configuration to change a device name or change the device authentication code. The top languages menu always features Spanish and American Sign Language at the top of the list. If your device uses a language frequently, it will move toward the top of the top languages list on your device. Over 40 languages are currently available for video interpretation, of which 13 are available 24/7. American Sign Language, Arabic, Cantonese, French, French Canadian, Korean, Mandarin, Polish, Portuguese, Portuguese Brazilian, Russian, Spanish, and Vietnamese.